nice day.
Yeah? This time frame works good?
Yeah.
Okay.
See you tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye. Second day of physical therapy this week. I never really told you about my back. Well, I told you that it's bad. I never told you what happened. It's all started about, 10, 13 years ago. I was tackled really hard. And then after that, a few years later, many years later, I was hit on my bicycle by a truck. That messed me up pretty bad. And then not too long ago, maybe 4 years ago, I was so stressed to the point where my back just went out on me. And I was barely able to get out of bed. It hurt to get out of the car. It hurt to cough, hurt to sneeze, you name it, it hurt. And I realized then, like, wow, I really took my back for granted when it was healthy. And it got better once I got that stress off my shoulders. And you know what? I never really got the problem fixed completely. I just thought, you know what? It feels better now, so I'm just going to go about my life and not worry about getting it looked into. And then, man, I started getting very easily injured. For example, I remember not too long ago I was picking weeds, and then that took me out for a whole week. My back just went out completely on me again. And then I was on the skiers at Crossfit, and then that took me out for a week. So then I decided, you know what? I gotta get this fixed. Here I am trying to lose weight and get healthy for my daughter. But what good is that going to do if I have a bad back? So now I'm going to my physical therapist, Abel Rendon. He's amazing. If you're in the Loma Linda, San Bernardino, Inland Empire area, check out Abel Rendon. That guy's, man, he's amazing. What's up, guys? Hello, my baby. Did you miss your dada? I'm going to CrossFit to see what 18.4 has in store. I'm gonna bring ever. Just got to CrossFit.
Hi, baby girl. Hi. How's it going?
You made it, dude. Where you been? Huh? What's up, man? You don't just...
She currently is standing in first place in Arizona in her age group in the field division, so she's trying to keep that going.
Gotta go home. Alright. Alright, guys. It's Friday. Today is 18.4. I'm sure I'm gonna do great because I'm wearing my Today's a Good Day shirt. Good things always happen when I'm wearing this shirt. Alright. Wow, that was really hard. I'm holding my arm out, and it's like really hard to keep it steady. On my way to 18.4. And guess who's going? And Ever. Their first time watching me work out. I'm so excited. I have butterflies. I'm so nervous right now. See you there.
Max version. So you two? So you two? All right, cool. So would you mind hanging up and judging each other on that?
Now I'm nervous. My love handles, bro. I think is that
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
That was hard. Sam. God, that was hard. My arm out, and it's like really hard to keep it steady. So maybe I should find something to place it on. It was tough, but it was so fun. Those bear crawls at the end, I only got to 20, like the first set of bear crawls, only half of that, and it was like surprisingly really hard to do those bear crawls. I mean, surprisingly to me, I didn't think like, oh, I'm doing all those deadlifts and those push-ups. And for some reason I thought, oh, bear crawls, it's time for a break. No, wrong thinking. So I got to the first set of bear crawls, or half of those, and then 9 minutes hit, and I'm cool with that. I know there are a lot of scale people that did better than me, but I don't care. I stopped caring about that like not too long ago. I used to care like, oh my gosh, this person's new at CrossFit, like newer than me, and they're already doing a lot better than I am. I let that go because they're not there to compete with me. I'm not there to compete with them. We're all here together with the same goal in mind, and that's just to get better than what we were doing like 2 months ago, 3 months ago, last year. Like, it's just all about becoming better than how you were before. So I'm doing that. If I did this 6 months ago, I couldn't do it. I wouldn't be able to finish even the first set. So that makes me happy. That means that I had victory today. So just remember that. Don't ever get down on yourself if someone new is coming in and they're already doing better than you are, because it's not about that. Just focus on being better than what you were just last month. And then as long as you're getting better and better every single day, then you're winning. And just be in competition with yourself. That's what it is, because we're all on a journey together, and their journey is just different than yours, and your journey is different than theirs. So stop comparing and just compete against yourself. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna go eat a Pop-Tart and take a shower. Good night.